A section of Kalenjin elders has announced plans to intervene in the long-running Uasin Gishu Finland scholarship saga, calling for calm among affected parents and students. This follows the conclusion of the criminal case at the Nakuru Law Courts last week and eventual acquittal of the accused, led by Major John Say of the Miot Council of Elders. The elders say the manner in which the dispute had been handled had created unnecessary divisions and left many families frustrated and disappointed. They are now pledging to engage all relevant stakeholders in an effort to bring closure to the saga that has affected hundreds of families who invested heavily in their overseas education program.
Watu wetu ambaye muko kwa shida, tumesikia kilio chenu, tumesikia malalamiko yenu, tumesikia uchungu wenu.